This is a full walkthrough of the 1.8 megawatts PTU, the powertrain unit used as critical power infrastructure in data centers.
So we're inside our PTU product by Rhine XCircle. This is a 1.8 megawatt PTU. PTU meaning powertrain unit or power module. We have all the equipment that is critical to the inside of this, starting with the cooling. This is a crack computer room cooling, essentially a water-based cooling system, which provides cooling inside for all of the equipment housed within inside the PTU. On my left-hand side here, we have the UPSs. We can take this up at space-wise up to 2 megawatts. Currently, this is fitted out to provide 1.8 megawatts, but we can provide up to 2, down from 1.5 all the way up to 2 megawatts in 1.5, 1.8, and 2 megawatts. This provides all the power quality and power conditioning that would supply the IT loads within the data center, and then is supplemented by the battery cabinets that we have just to the right of the UPS. These are lithium phosphate batteries, providing the backup when you're doing a transfer or when you have a loss of mains power, essential to operation of IT loads so that you're ensuring that there's no interruptions. On the right hand side, we have all the fire equipment, which includes water leak detection, ultrasonic rodent agent release, which is VESDA, running through the pipes, very early sampling detection, which will pick up smoke particles or any fire or incidents of fire, and then supplemented by a fire panel with fire suppression piping, as well as the fire suppression model that you see behind me over there. And then this is all supplied and fed into the switchboard, the LT switchboard that we have on the left hand side over here. Essentially, this switchboard is set up so that you've got a built-in ATS bringing in your main power connection from the main source, from the utility supply, as well as the generator supply, and you can transfer over from there. You have supply of power to the UPS, and the board is then integrated to bring back the UPS supplied power, which then goes out to your IT load downstream from there. Everything inside here has been designed from the ground up. We have taken what is a typical client requirement and built this. The model that we've got here is actually based on an actual client requirement that we have, including all the underfloor where we run the small power and lighting cabling. All the cable trays above are to support the multitude of cables that are required both from a DC side, from the battery cabinets to the UPS, as well as an AC side from supply from the UPS and out. Also ancillary circuits providing power out to your mechanical cooling equipment that is critical to the functioning of a data center.